next addition instruction, that is ACI 8-bit data. So ACI means add immediately 8-bit data in accumulator with carry. So accumulator plus 8-bit data plus carry flag bit and result in accumulator. Size of the instruction is 2 byte, 1 byte for the opcode for this ACI instruction, and next byte or second byte is 8-bit data. 8-bit means 1 byte. Always remember 8-bit means 1 byte. In this case also, after the execution of this addition instruction, all flag bits get modified. Addressing mode is the immediate addressing mode. So here ACI, I indicates immediate data, is the part of the instruction. For example, ACI 40 hex. So accumulator content plus 40 hex plus carry flag bit. So suppose before execution of this ACI 40 hex instruction, in accumulator we are having 70 hex. Okay, so this 70 hex get added with 40 hex, and suppose carry flag bit is 1. So 70 plus 40 plus 1. So addition result you will get in accumulator. That is, answer you will get B1 in A register. And after the execution, modifications of flag bit is like this. So sign flag bit is set, because if you convert this hexadecimal number B1 in binary format, the most significant bit you will find logic 1. That's why this sign bit is 1. 0 flag bit is 0, auxiliary carry flag bit is 0, parity bit is 1, because number of logic 1s in the answer are even. That's why parity flag bit is 1 and carry flag bit is 0. Next instruction is for 16-bit addition. The previous addition instructions are for 8-bit number addition, but this DAD RP instruction is for 16-bit addition. So DAD means double addition. Double addition. So here HL register pair content get added with the specified register pair, and addition result again you will get in HL register pair, not in accumulator. This instruction adds the contents of specified register pair to HL pair and store the result in HL pair again. The register pair RP can be stack pointer, BC pair, DE pair and HL pair itself. And all the DAD instructions are of 1 byte, only single byte of code. Addressing mode is definitely register addressing mode because of RP or register pair available in the operand field. And important thing of this instruction is that after execution only carry flag bit is modified, no other flag bits are modified to reflect the result of the operation. So suppose DADB instruction get executed, so at that time BC plus HL and result you will get in HL register pair itself. So suppose in BC pair we are having 50 hex and 23 hex, and in HL register pair 12 hex and 34 hex before the execution of this DADB instruction. After the execution the addition result you will get in HL, that is 23 plus 34 result in L register, and 50x plus 12x result in H register. So after execution, 57x you will get in L register, that is this 34 get modified or get overwritten with the result or lower byte result 57x, and this 12x get overwritten with the addition result, that is 50x plus 12x, that is 62x. So this 62x is the higher byte addition. So in this way 16-bit addition get performed by using this particular DAD RP instruction. So lower byte addition you will get in L register and higher byte addition in H register. Now we will see the subtraction instruction. About this subtraction instruction in 8085 microprocessor, the subtraction get performed by using 2's complement method. Either the subtraction of the bigger number minus higher number, bigger number minus the smaller number, or the smaller number minus the bigger number. In both the cases the subtraction get performed by using 2's complement methodology. So we will see one by one the instructions for the subtraction. So here mnemonic SUB indicates subtraction and R indicates the specified register. So subtraction of the specified register from the accumulator, A minus specified register, and result again you will get in the accumulator itself. And the accumulator content get modified with the result, subtraction result. All the subtraction, this subtraction or sub R instruction is 1 byte instruction. Only one opcode you will find in the opcode sheet for this particular SUB R instruction. Its addressing mode is register addressing mode, because in the operand field you will find the general purpose registers, and all flag bits get modified after the execution of this subtraction instruction. Take a simple example, SUB C. So here accumulator content gets subtracted from the C register, that is A minus C. Result you will get in accumulator itself. So let in accumulator we are having 50x, and in C register hexadecimal number 20x. So A minus C means 50 minus 20x, and result you will get in accumulator, that is 50 minus 20, that is 30 hex, and a subtraction result you will get in accumulator. So before execution, suppose in accumulator 50x, C register with 20x, and suppose this sub C instruction get executed or operation get performed by the microprocessor for the subtraction with the help of this SUBC instruction, then 50 minus 20 subtraction result, that is 30x, you will get in accumulator, and C register content as it is. And reflections in the flag register, sign flag bit is 0, 0 flag bit is 0, auxiliary carry flag bit is 0, parity flag bit is 1. If you convert this 30 hex in binary format, you will get the binary result, that is 0 0 1 1, and lower nibble, that is 0 0 0 0. So two logic ones in the result, which indicates even parity. That's why this parity flag bit is set. There is no any carry from the most significant bit. That's why carry flag bit is 0. Or in this particular case, during the subtraction, carry flag bit plays an important role to give the answer you are getting positive or negative. Now in this case, the carry flag bit is 0, which means that you are getting the positive result. If you perform the reverse operation, that is 20 minus 50, definitely you will get negative answer. At that time, the carry flag bit you will get 1 to indicate the negative result in 2's complement form. Next subtraction instruction from immediate addressing mode, that is SUI, subtract immediate data from the accumulator, that is A minus 8-bit immediate data subtraction result again in accumulator. Size of the instruction is 2 byte, 1 byte for the opcode, that is first byte is the opcode for this SUI, and the second byte is for 8-bit immediate data. So the total size is 2 byte. All flag bits get modified after the execution of this subtraction instruction. Addressing mode, yes, immediate addressing mode. Simple example, SUI 40x, that is A minus 40x. Accumulator content gets subtracted with the 40x. So suppose before execution we are having 70x. So this 70x minus immediate data, that is 40x, subtraction result after the execution of this SUI instruction in accumulator, you will get 30x. Next instruction, that is SBBR, subtract accumulator content minus specified register minus carry flag bit. So during the execution of this instruction, first the carry flag bit get added in the specified register, and that result gets subtracted from the accumulator. Now here borrow means carry flag bit. Always remember, borrow means carry flag bit. So SBB means borrow. So A minus R minus carry flag bit. So carry get added in the specified register, and that addition result gets subtracted from the accumulator. That is A minus that result. Size of the instruction is 1 byte. So this SBBR is a single byte instruction. Addressing mode is definitely register addressing mode, because of in the operand field you will find the general purpose registers, A register, B register, C register, D register. For example, SBBC, that is A minus C register minus carry flag bit, and result in accumulator. So suppose in accumulator you are having 50 hex, and in C register we are having 20 hex, and suppose carry flag bit is set. So the contents of register C and the carry are subtracted from the contents of accumulator, and result is stored in accumulator itself. So if you perform the subtraction by using 2's complement method, you will get the answer 2F hex, and the C register content are maintained as it is, and carry flag bit get resetted, means 0. Next instruction from immediate addressing mode but with borrow. So SBI, subtraction immediately with borrow, that is accumulator content minus 8-bit immediate data minus carry flag bit. In this case also, first the carry flag bit get added in the specified immediate data, and that result gets subtracted from the accumulator, and result you are getting again in accumulator. Accumulator content get modified with the result. Size of the instruction is 2 byte, 1 byte for the opcode for this SBI instruction and second byte for the 8-bit immediate data. All flag bits get modified after the execution of this subtraction result. So few printing mistakes are there. Okay, so all flag bits get modified after the execution of this subtraction result, not the addition result. Addressing mode is immediate addressing mode. Take a simple example, SBI 40 hex. So A minus accumulator content minus 40x minus carry flag bit. So before execution, suppose in accumulator we are having 70x, 8-bit immediate data is 40x, and suppose carry flag bit is 1. So this carry flag bit get added in immediate data, and that result gets subtracted from the accumulator. Then the subtraction result you will get in the accumulator. So this 70 hex get overwritten with the result, that is 2f hex.